Dearest students, a very delightful good morning to you all. Here Sunil Singh is going to teach some mathematical parts. As you know that we have already discussed about the basic of number system in previous video. Here I am going to start your exercise, that is 1A. As I know that you have already studied about integer in previous classes, but here once discuss about integers. Integers are those numbers which are negative and positive whole numbers. On other hand, we can say that all negative and positive whole numbers are called integers. So we are going to discuss the number system, which is none other but integers. First question is given, fill up the blanks. The greatest negative integer is, just see here, the greatest negative integer is -1. 0 is greater than every negative integer. The absolute value of an integer is either equal to or greater than, here written then, but it will be than, than the integer, but never less the integer. The successor of -91 is -90. The predecessor of -380 is -381. To replace each blank by shorter than or greater than to make the given statement true. -8 is greater than -18. -4 is shorter than 0. -357 is greater than -537. -71 is shorter than 17. See question number 3. Write the pair of integers whose sum is an integer smaller than both integers. So 3A, consider the integers -2 and -3. Thus sum of -2 and -3 equal to -2 plus -3 equal to -2 minus 3 equal to -5. Here -5 is smaller than both the integers -2 as well as -3. So according to statement I have proved here, B, pair of integers whose sum is an integer is smaller than only one of the integers. Consider the integers -6 and 3. The sum of -6 and 3 equal to -6 plus 3, -6 plus 3 equal to -3. Here -3 is greater than -6 but is smaller than 3. So we have proved what asked by your question. 3C. Pair of integers whose sum is an integer greater than both the integers. Consider the integers 3 and 4. Thus sum of 3 and 4 equal to 3 plus 7. Here 7 is an integer which is greater than both the integers 3 and 4. Question number 4A. Write a pair of integers whose difference is an integer smaller both the integers. Consider the integers minus 7 and 3. Thus difference of minus 7 and 3 equal to minus 7 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3 will be minus 10. Here minus 10 is an integer which is smaller than both the integers minus 7 and 3. For B, write a pair of integers whose difference is an integer greater than only one of the integers. Consider the integers minus 8 and minus 2. Thus, difference equal to minus 8 and minus 2 equal to minus 8 plus 2 equal to minus 6. Here minus 6 is greater than minus 8 but is smaller than minus 2. Question number C. Observe a pair of integers whose difference is an integer greater than both the integers. Consider the integer 4 and minus 3. Thus difference equal to 4 minus 3. 4 double minus plus 3 equal to 7. Here 7 is greater than both integers 4 and minus 3. C5. Evaluate. We have to find out the value. 15 plus minus 8 equal to 15 minus 8 equal to 7. B. Minus 16 plus 9 equal to 9 minus 16 equal to minus 7. C. Minus 7 plus minus 23. Minus 7 minus 23 equal to minus 30. D. Minus 32 plus 47 equal to 47 minus 32 equal to 15. E. 53 plus minus 26 equal to 53 minus 26 equal to 27. F. Minus 48 plus minus 36 equal to minus 48 minus 36 equal to minus 84. 6. Find the sum of. It means we have to add the questions what are given here. 6A. Sum of 153 and minus 302 equal to 153 plus minus 302 equal to 153 minus 302 equal to minus 149. Sum of 1005 and minus 277 equal to 1005 plus minus 277 equal to 1005 minus 277 equal to 728. So sum of 1005 and minus 277 is 728. C. Sum of minus 2035 and 297 equal to minus 2035 plus 297 equal to minus 2035 plus 297 equal to minus 1738. So sum of minus 2035 and 297 is minus 1738. D. Sum of minus 489 and minus 324 equal to minus 489 plus minus 324 equal to minus 489 minus 324 equal to, add together and we get minus 813. It means sum of minus 489 and minus 324 is minus 813. E. Sum of minus 1000 and 438 equal to minus 1000 plus 438 equal to minus 562. If sum of minus 238 and 500 equal to minus 238 plus 500 equal to 500 minus 238 equal to 262. It means sum of minus 238 and 500 is 262. 7. Find the additive inverse of, just see here, additive inverse means add ka ulta, means if we add two additive inverse together we get the result 0. It means sum of two additive inverse numbers is 0. Additive inverse of minus 83 equal to 83. Additive inverse of 256 is equal to minus 256. Additive inverse of 0 equal to 0. Additive inverse of minus 2001 equal to 2001. 8. Subtract minus 428 from minus 42. Minus 42 minus 28 equal to minus 70. Minus 36 from 42. It means we have to subtract minus 36 from 42. Here 42 minus 36 equal to 42 plus 36, double minus will become here plus, and that will be 42 plus 36 equal to 78. Question number C of it, minus 37 from minus 53. It means we have to subtract minus 37 from minus 53. Minus 53 minus 37 equal to minus 53, and here double minus become here plus, so minus 53 plus 37 equal to minus 16. Question number D. Subtract minus 66 from minus 34. We have to subtract minus 66 from minus 34. Minus 34 minus 66 minus 34, and here it become double minus become here plus 66. So the difference of minus 34 and minus 66 is 32. E. 318 from 0. 0 minus 318 equal to minus 318. It means the difference of 0 and 318 equal to minus 318. If minus 153 from 240. We have to subtract minus 153 from minus 240. Minus 240 minus 153 equal to minus 240. Remain directly, and here double minus becomes plus 153, and the difference of these two numbers equal to minus 87. G, minus 64 from 0. 0 minus 64 equal to 0. Double minus becomes here plus 64 equal to 64. H, minus 56 from 144. 144 minus 56 equal to 144 plus 56 equal to 200. See question number 9. 9. Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 30. Sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34 equal to minus 34 minus, add together, we get here after adding minus 154 equal to minus 34. Double minus becomes here plus 154 equal to 154 minus 34 equal to 120. Question number 10. Question number 10 given, subtract minus 134 from the sum of 28 and 87. 10. Subtract minus 134 from the sum of 28 and minus 87. Here we do work 28 plus minus 87 minus double minus, here become plus, here it become minus 59 plus 134 equal to 134 minus 59 equal to 75. Now fill up the blanks. Fill up the blanks. This is given in associative law. In associative law, minus 13 plus 27 plus 41 plus minus 13 plus 27 plus dash. It means here what will we fill up? So see left hand side of equal. Which number is missed out here? Definitely that is minus 41. So here we fill minus 41 according to associative law of addition. B, same, this law will work here. Minus 26 plus minus 49 plus minus 83 equal to minus 26 plus minus 49 plus dash. According to associative law, we will fill the number which is missed. That missed number is minus 83. C, 53 plus minus 37 equal to minus 37 plus the missed number from left hand side of equal, that is 53. So we will fill up here 53 by commutative law. D, minus 68 plus minus 76 equal to minus 76 plus minus 68. Here we will fill up minus 76 according to commutative law. E, minus 72 plus dash equal to minus 72. It means what we add with minus 72, that our sum will become minus 72. Definitely our answer is 0. That is called additive identity. Minus 83, it means inverse of minus 83 equal to 83, and in simple way we can say that double minus become here plus. So this is called additive inverse. G, minus 16 minus dash equal to minus 59. What we feel here? Definitely that number is minus 1, because minus 60 minus minus plus 1, minus 60 plus 1 equal to minus 59. That is closure property. H, minus 31 plus dash equal to minus 40. So very simple. What will be come after subtract minus 31 from minus 40? That number is minus 9. This is also called closure property. Question number 12. Simplify. We have to simplify minus 13 minus 27 plus minus 25 minus 40. Here equal to minus 13 minus plus 27 plus minus 25 minus plus 40. 27 minus 13 14, 40 minus 25 plus 15, and our answer is 29. Find 36 minus 64 and minus 64 minus 36 are they equal? First, 36 minus 64 equal to 36 plus 64 equal to 100, and again minus 64 minus 36 equal to minus 64 minus 36 equal to minus 100. Both are inverse, additive inverse, so they are not equal. We can say they are not equal. 14. If A equal to minus 8, B equal to minus 7, C equal to 6, verify that A plus B associate plus C plus A plus associate B plus C. It means we have to show that left hand side will be equal to right hand side. So putting the value of A, B and C in LHS and RHS. In LHS what is given? A plus B. A minus 8 plus minus 7 plus C plus 6 equal to A minus 8 plus B minus 7 plus 6. Minus 8 plus minus 7 minus 8 minus 7 plus 6 equal to minus 8 plus minus 7 plus 6. Here minus 8 minus 7 minus 15 plus 6, and here minus 8 plus minus 1, or in left hand side minus 9 and also in right hand side equal to minus 9. So here proved LHS equal to RHS verified. 15. if a equal to minus 9 and b equal to minus 9, show that a minus b not equal to b minus a. Here it is wrong. Here it should be equal to a minus b equal to b minus a. Putting the value of a, b in a minus b, the value of a is given here minus 9 and b also the value of b is minus 9. So a minus 9 equal to minus 9 minus minus 9 equal to minus 9 double minus, it means inverse of minus 9 equal to plus 9. So it becomes 0. b minus a also minus 9 minus minus 9 equal to minus 9 plus 9 equal to 0. So here a minus b equal to b minus a, verified. 16. The sum of two integers is minus 16. If one of them is 53, find the other. The other integer equal to the sum of two integers minus one given integer, minus 16 minus 53 equal to minus 16 minus 53 equal to minus 69. 17. The sum of two integers is 65. If one of them is minus 31, find the other. The other integer equal to 65, the sum of two integers, minus given one integer. 65 minus minus 31 equal to 65 plus 31 equal to 96. The difference of an integer a and minus 6 is 4. Find the value of a. According to question, a minus 6 equal to 4. So a or a double minus will become here plus 6 equal to 4, or a equal to 4 and transpose this 6 to the cross side, it becomes minus 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2, therefore a equal to minus 2. And here we finished this exercise 1A. I hope that you will solve by yourself minimum once, and then you will prepare your fair copy. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.